Hello friends, today we're going to discover this 70 May cordless air compressor 2. Welcome to this new video. Now as always, before we start, I have to mention that 70 May sent me this product to show it on my channel, but of course I will give you my honest opinion. Well, this is the brand new Air Compressor 2 and let's check it out. It has metal gears. You can preset the wanted pressure. You have a quick release valve connector and there is this 60 centimeters extended air hose. You can use it for cars, motorcycles, bicycles or smaller stuff like footballs or swimming pools. It has all the security labels, of course. Now let's take it out of its box. And here you have it. Really nice all black. I love the display. It also has an integrated light that you can use as a beacon as well. And here you can set the presets. You can see how it switches from bar for car and motorcycles to PSI for bicycles and smaller stuff. A custom or personal mode, I guess. You have this soft foot to absorb the noise, and then here are the connectors. No further in the box, the charging cable, USB-C, always nice to see that everything comes with USB-C right now. And then hose with quick release. You can just screw it in. Like so. And now on this flexible hose you can attach adapters. So it has a cone adapter, it has a needle nose adapter, is this Presta adapter as well. And then for car tires, connect the hose connected directly to the inflation port. So you can attach this directly on top, fix it in place like this and start the operation. The way that the adapters store in the device, very nice. You can't really store the hose itself into the device. So now let's go outside and test it on the car. Max inflate to 30 psi. Here again you can see it isn't connected, so it shows 0. And let's connect it to the bike. Now it dropped a little bit and let's blow it. So here we are at the car. With the car you get this kind of compressor, but it always needs to be powered with a 12-volt adapter, so the car has to be running. And with this manual gauge it is quite hard to see the correct pressure. So now let's try it with the 70 MA compressor. So it seems to hold quite well. Cycle to car. And it has to be at 2.3. And it is at 2.7 now. So let's set it to 2.30. And stops automatically. So honestly, a really handy device. I think it's worth the money. Versatile with the several presets, adjustable pressure, bar, PSI and integrated torch, and all this rechargeable by USB-C. Only downside is that you don't get some kind of pouch with it to store it safely in your car. So I'm afraid that over time maybe dust will come in, so I'll keep it in its box. But otherwise I think it is great value for money. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and see you in the very next video. Bye bye.